In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Jumia affiliate account so you can start earning money for free with Jumia. Alright, so the very first thing we want to do is go to the website, which is affiliate.jumia.com. I'm going to have the link in the description below, so you can go ahead and click it over there and come over here to the website. Now, after that, the next thing you want to do is click on register. Now, after you've clicked on register, you'll be brought to this form where you'll be asked to fill in your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your country, and your address. Now, if you do not have a website, it's okay. I have created a video on my channel showing you how to easily create a blog, and you can do that within minutes, and it's free. So click the link on the top right corner of your screen to go over to that video and quickly create your blog, and then come back to this video. Now, after that, when putting in the website, you want to make sure to put in http://www.yourwebsite.com. Now, I'm going to have an example on the screen just so that you will see what I'm talking about, because if you do not put in the http:// it's actually going to give you an error message. So make sure you write it just as it is on the screen, .yourwebsite.com, and after you're done with that, you want to click on agree and then click on register. Now, after you're done, you're going to be brought up to this page where they're just basically telling you that they've sent an email with information on how you're going to log into your Jumia affiliate account. So what you want to do is quickly go into your email and see what they've sent to you. Now, when you're done, you're going to be getting this email, and basically what it is them telling you that they will review your application within the next 1 to 3 business days. So you might want to wait for their return email for them to get back to you to be able to finish up the sign up process. So when they get back to you, they will give you the opportunity to set up your password and give you instructions on how you can log in to your account and start using the platform. In the meantime, what I'm just going to do is sign into my account that I currently have with them and show you how it works and the most important things that you need to know on the platform. So the very next thing you would need to do is definitely go to payment, because you're going to need to go to how they're going to pay you first. Click on payment information. That's the most important thing you need to do, so that you'll be able to put in your bank details. Now, in here, this place would normally be blank, so you fill in your country and then you put in your payment method. This is where you put in your account name, your bank account number goes here, the bank name goes here, and then your bank branch goes in here, and your SWIFT code that can be gotten from your bank, so you can easily contact your bank or the branch of your bank and ask them for the SWIFT code, and they will give that to you. It's actually a number that they will give to you, so you can fill that in here and click on save information. So after that, you're done. You're basically set up and ready to start earning with Jumia affiliates. So what you need to understand is the performance. So when you click on performance and then you select the country or which you currently signed up for, which in this case it's Jumia Nigeria. So when you click on your country, it shows you how well your links have been doing, the performance of your links, how well they've been doing. So basically, it just gives you the graph of what's happening with your Jumia link or your affiliate link in this case. So if you would like to see the performance of your links, you can come here to see how that's going. Now, on to the main reason why you're probably watching this video right now, which is how you actually go ahead and start advertising your link. So the very first thing you want to do is click on advertising, and then what you want to do is click on link builder. So the very next thing you want to do is click on the country. You select the country. So these are all the countries that Jumia affiliate is available in. So you click on your country, which in my country in this case it's Nigeria. I click on that, and then as you can see, it loads up this page. So this Jumia URL page basically just means that this is where I'm going to put in the page to whatever product that I have that I would like to earn money from. So whatever product I find on the Jumia page, I would take that URL and I will paste it here, and it will generate a link for me which I can give to my client. So I'm just going to quickly go to the Jumia website so you will see what I'm talking about. Now, I've currently searched for a product and I'm just going to select the one I'm interested in. So this is the product that I'm interested in. I'm interested in giving the link to this product to a client or somebody who is interested in the product. So all I'm just going to do is click on this place once, and then it will highlight all the link to this page all in blue, and then all I just want to do is right click and then copy that. Now, if you're using a phone, you just need to tap on the address bar on your browser, and it will highlight everything in the address bar in blue also. You hold down on that, and then it will give you the option to copy the link. So you copy the link, and then what you do is come back to your Jumia affiliates page, and then click here, and then you paste, and then you press enter, and then you see what happens. So what happens here is it has generated the link to that particular product. So if I should give this link to my clients or the person who is interested in the product, when they buy the product and it has been delivered to them, I would earn a commission. So this is how you ensure that whatever link that you have or whatever product that is on the Jumia website, this is how you ensure that you can get paid from it. So what you want to do is copy the URL. So if I should copy this URL now and paste it in my browser, you would see that it will go back to the website. You can see it has gone back to this particular item. So basically, when they buy through this link right now, which gave them access to this particular product, I'm going to earn a commission. Now I need to tell you something about this. You can see that this link right now is very long. It's a very long link. So what you want to do is make sure you shorten it so it doesn't kind of seem too long for your client. So what you just do is go to this website. It's a free website that helps you shorten your link. So it's called bit.ly. Now this is the website. Now after copying this link here, after copying this URL here, what you want to do is come to the website, and then you right click, or if you're using your phone, you hold down on this part here, and then gives you the option to paste. And then when you're done, click on shorten. As you can see, it has shortened the link right now. So if I click on copy right now, or if you're using your phone, tap on copy, come back here, and then you paste, you would see that it will go back to that website. As you can see, I've shortened the link and it has come back to this website. So if I should give anybody the link to this particular product, I am going to earn a commission from this product. So that's how it works. Also, there's also one more thing you can do. You don't also have to give them a link to a particular product. You can give them a link to a general area. As long as the link is on Jumia, you can give them a link to that general area. So if the customer is not decisive, or if the customer would like to see a range of products or a range of different products that they would like to buy from, if they are not interested in this product, what you can also do is, instead of going into this particular product, you can give them a link to this whole page. You can give them a link to this whole page, and whatever product they buy from this page, you're also going to be paid. It's very simple. What you need to do, you also need to still come here, copy this link here. Once you copy this link, then you go over to your Jumia affiliate and then paste in the page that you're interested in, and then once you paste that in, press enter, and as you can see, it has generated the link for me again. So when you click on copy, I'm not going to shorten this link so that I would not waste time. Copy it, open a new browser, and as you can see, it has opened up this page for me. So this is a page for all these particular items, so the customer can see whatever they want and click on buy. And this page doesn't even stop here, guys. It goes up to the second page, and so basically once the customer sees what is okay for them, they can go ahead and buy, and whatever they buy from this general page that you've given to them, you will definitely get paid from Jumia. So this is something that you can also do when your customer doesn't want a particular product, or they are not decisive, or they would like to see a range of products, or you would like to show them a range of products that are available that they could be interested in. So you can also give them something like this. And also, why stop there? You can also give them a link to the entire Jumia page. So you can just give them a link to this particular jumia.com.ng. You can copy it and then come back to your Jumia affiliate and then paste it in. So once you've pasted it, this is the link it has given to you. You copy this link, you make sure you shorten it. After shortening it, then give it to your client. So as I've copied this link right now, if I come back to my browser, you would see it will take me to the main Jumia's website. Right now, this is something that you can do, and this is something that I will encourage you to do. Give them a link also to the main Jumia's page. So if you have a customer that doesn't know what they even want, or they've not heard of Jumia, or for some reason they want the website to Jumia, you can just give them a link to the whole Jumia's website. And then whatever they buy off the Jumia's website, there are millions of products on Jumia. Whatever they choose to buy or whatever they decide to buy, you will definitely get paid. So this is definitely the smart way to go also. So apart from giving them a particular link to a particular product when they actually want the product, you can also give them a link to the website also, so they can use your link on the website and then buy whatever they want. You can also do this with your friends. You can give it to your friends also. If you know there's any friend of yours interested in buying something on Jumia, you can give them your link, and then they were going to buy it anyways from Jumia. So this way you earn from it. So it's something that you can also do. Now coming back here, this particular area right here, the sub affiliate ID, you can put in whatever you want to put in here. This is just going to help you track this particular link, but for a beginner, you definitely do not need all this information. You don't need to do anything here. All you just need to do is come to advertising, click on link builder, paste in the links for the products that you're interested in giving to your audience, and then the link is generated here, and then you click on copy and then shorten the link, and then you give it to your client. Easy peasy. Now another thing that's also interesting here is the banner generator. So when you click on banner generator, this just helps you generate banners for a particular campaign you would like to run. If you would like to post a banner on your social media, on your website, or wherever, that will entice your viewers to actually click on your offer and go straight to what you're telling them about. Now if I click on it, you can see that it has opened up this page. So I can basically select the dimensions I want for that particular image, and then when I'm done with it, I can just download the image. So let's just download this particular image to see what it looks like. So you can see this is an example of what one of the banners are. So this is something that you can post on your website or wherever you would like to post it, so that your customers can see, or your potential customers can see, and if they're interested, they would buy and shop, and then when they shop, you get paid. So this is an example of what the banner generator is. So it generates the banners in different sizes. So if I should select another size, it will generate the banner in another way. As you can see, it generated a much smaller banner. So if there's any place that requires me to post a smaller banner, this would be perfect for it. So this is something that you can definitely play with to definitely help you increase your sales and start making more money with Jumia affiliates. Now coming into the link for mobile apps. Now what this is basically you giving your customers a way for them to be able to actually go through their mobile apps, or basically download the Jumia app on their phone and start using their phone to shop for whatever products that they want. So the very first thing you do is select your country, of course, and then you select your target screen. Where do you want them to actually go to? So you select that, which is the Jumia app homepage, and then you would have a link generated for you. Now this link, when you give it to your viewers, for some reason this only works on Android phones. So whenever you give the links to your audience, they would actually be able to only use it on their Android phones, because it will actually go straight to the Play Store and help them download the Jumia shopping app on their phone. So if your client has an iPhone, this won't actually work, because they are using an iPhone, and this would actually go to the Google Play Store. So this right now is a link to the Google Play Store. Now when they download the Jumia mobile app, what that simply means is whatever kind of purchase they do with the Jumia mobile app, you would earn a commission. So you see the potential for this. So not only can you now give them a link to a particular product to be able to buy on their phone, you can now advise them, or you can encourage them to download the Jumia app on their phone. And you can tell them it's even much more easier to actually do it with their phone. So you go ahead, give them this link, they go ahead and they download it on their phone. Now when they download that app is now linked with you, because they downloaded it with your link. So whatever purchase they do on the mobile app, you will get a commission. So that is the potential for this, and that is how large and how fast you can actually scale. So even if you even give it to, you have 20 clients or you have 30 clients, if you give it to them, they keep whenever they want to purchase something, they keep purchasing it through their mobile apps. You would keep getting a commission from that. So that's the advantage of this, and that's why that is the power of Jumia affiliate. And all this is something that you can start doing for free today, right now. It costs no money. With zero money down, you can start this and start doing it right now. That's as simple as it is, guys. You do this and then you can start earning right away on Jumia. For more videos like this, click on the subscribe button below and the notification bell right next to it. I release videos every Wednesdays and Fridays, and you'll be the first to be notified when that happens. And any relevant links that you may need, they are all going to be in the description below, so make sure to go use them. Now, if you would like to support this channel, there are ways that you can also do that in the description below. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in the next video, and take care of yourself guys. Cheers.